Hi, and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Today I'm in the kitchen doing something different. I am going to make something that I seen online. I don't remember if it was TikTok or what, but it was some macaroni and cheese, and they added curry to it. And they said how good it was. So I'm gonna try it and let you guys know how it comes out. So I'm gonna get everything ready, and in the meantime, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back. So let's start off with our ingredients first. Curry powder, evaporated milk, butter, eggs, cheese, extra sharp cheddar cheese, some black pepper, and of course we need some macaroni noodles. First, we're going to boil our macaroni noodles till they are al dente. And then in a separate bowl, we're going to just scramble up some eggs. And to the eggs, we're going to add the evaporated milk. Combine that really well because we want that egg to be mixed into that milk. There we go. Then we're going to put some black pepper, some salt, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. That's our secret ingredient for the day. Then we're going to just mix it up really well. To that mixture, we're going to add our cheeses. Make sure you have enough cheese. And then we're going to just stir it up, mix it real well. Now to this mixture, we're going to go ahead and add our butter and then our cooked noodles. Stir everything up really well. Get all of that cheese mixed into those noodles right before we put it in the oven. We are not going to cover it. We're going to put the oven on 375 degrees and bake this until it is golden brown on top. As you can see, it's nice and golden on top, hot, bubbly, cheesy, and there we go. Yes, it's hot, bubbly, and cheesy, and look, it is nice and creamy. Yes, with lots of cheese. This is how I like it. Now, I am ready to test. I don't know about you guys, but this was something new, so let's try it. So the macaroni is ready. And it came out nice and creamy and of course very cheesy. But I just want to taste to see what the difference is with that curry powder. I put a teaspoon of curry powder in it. So I want to see what that's going to be like. And as you can see, it's smoking hot. So I'm trying to give it a second to cool off. Now it's different. It's good. First I was thinking curry powder and macaroni and cheese, but this is good, y'all. All right, now y'all gotta try this. Make your macaroni and cheese the way you normally make it, but just add at least a teaspoon of the curry powder, depending on what size. You saw what size I made. So if you're making a really big one, then maybe you need a tablespoon. This is good. All right, thank you TikTok or whoever that was that gave me the idea. I like this. So I'm gonna eat this, and in the meantime, you guys have a good day, and guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye. Oh, it's real good. Oops.